Hi friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be cooking whole spaghetti squash in an Instant Pot. We all know how hard it is to cut spaghetti squash when it's raw, so we're going to avoid it by cooking it whole. So all you need is a spaghetti squash and a cup of water for pressure cooking. So the first step to do is to poke a couple of holes in the spaghetti squash with a knife. So I'm doing it just to make sure that the squash doesn't explode when it's cooked under pressure. The holes allow the steam to escape while it's cooking. So now let's open the Instant Pot. And I'm going to add a cup of water. And the spaghetti squash, just put it in the Instant Pot directly in the water. And now let's close the lid of the Instant Pot. Turn the valve to a sealing position. Press the pressure cook button and set the time to 25 minutes on high pressure. Now the Instant Pot is done cooking, so let's quick release the steam. Now the steam has been released and the pin has dropped, so let's open the lid of the Instant Pot. And here is perfectly cooked spaghetti squash. Now this is super hot, so I like to leave it for 5 minutes like that before I take it out. Now you don't have to wait if you don't want to, but it's just, since it's so hot, I think it's best to wait about 5 minutes. Now let's remove the squash from the Instant Pot. So I'm just going to use oven mitts. It is very hot. So that's the easiest way to take it out of the pot. And now let's cut it in half. Perfectly cooked spaghetti squash. See how easy it was to cook it whole in the Instant Pot? It's so much easier to be cutting it while it's cooked as opposed to cutting it when it's raw. So now let's remove the seeds. So I'm just going to use the spoon to take out the seeds. Okay, so now I removed all the seeds, so I'm going to use the fork to separate the strands. So that's why it's called spaghetti squash, because it has spaghetti squash strands. This is a perfect low-carb alternative to pasta. Here's a few more seeds I found, so if it happens, just remove them. So now the spaghetti squash is prepared and it's time to season it. You can use the seasoning of your choice. I like to use salt, pepper, butter, and Parmesan cheese. Now let's season the spaghetti squash. So I'm going to sprinkle it with salt, pepper, and I'm going to add some butter. And now again, you can season it with any seasonings you like, so whatever you prefer. So I just add a few pieces of butter, and then since the squash is hot, it will melt. So let me just mix it so it melts quicker. See, the butter is melting. It looks so good. And finally, I will sprinkle it with Parmesan cheese. This looks delicious. So good. Perfectly cooked Instant Pot whole spaghetti squash. Now let's try it. I'm so excited about trying it. It looks amazing. So delicious. So yummy, healthy and delicious low-carb spaghetti squash. For a free printable recipe and other easy Instant Pot recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!